Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Figured I'd show this little video quick. It is the 29th at 6:30 in the afternoon, and an hour ago we had a tornado come down. There's tree branches and stuff, and this isn't even off this tree. This came from behind the house. These recycling barrels were behind this house. This vehicle got damaged. There's some of the branches that we've moved so we can get everything moved. I just threw my truck in four-wheel drive and drove up and over everything. Literally, that's finger width in, completely crushed. That's behind the post, pushed all the way down to the bumper, even wrinkled the tailgate, and bird's nest up on the roof. So, and then and we'll walk this way. Like I said, this isn't my driveway, and I have absolutely no trees. Battery beeping. I have no trees in my yard. Now these aren't small branches. Not small at all. I wear a size 13 ring. Trees up into the roof, did roof damage, and you got this big tree laying down. So that was a confirmed F1 tornado. Sirens did not go off. Nobody had warning at all. So now it's cleanup time.